Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another Primark haul, and as you can see I got bored again with my room and I have moved it around yet again. Also, if my colouring looks weird, I did fake tan last night. I've not washed it off yet and I had to use darkening drops like the ones from Primark in my foundation, and I feel like it's made my foundation look a bit grey. So we're just going to ignore that. But yeah, I have a Primark haul for you today. I honestly have no idea what time it is. I think it's like 9:30 in the morning. I did not sleep a wink last night. I've been awake for over 24 hours and I'm a bit hyped up, so we're just going to have to deal with that. But yeah, if you are new to my channel, then hello, my name's Emily. I don't sleep a lot. I also am mindfully obsessed with Primark, so if you like Primark hauls and you're here for Primark hauls, definitely stick around, subscribe. I do a lot of them because I'm obsessed. So yeah, I have a smaller bag this time. If you haven't seen my recent Primark haul, that was more like clothing-y bits. This has only got a few clothing bits. I've lost one of the t-shirts I bought and I don't quite know why or how, because I did already film this video maybe like 2 days after I filmed the last one, which is really bad, and then my camera just deleted it. But if I can find a picture of the top that I like have somehow lost, then I will insert it here. It is basically like an embroidered Mickey Mouse t-shirt that I love. I can't remember what it says on it. I think it says like something like the one and only or something like that, but it's like embroidered with like roses and it's got Mickey in the middle and it has like a peach neckline, and it's just like a basic t-shirt and I love it. I think it was £8. Yeah, I'm going to get on with the things that are in this bag, and I'm going to start by just grabbing things out of the bag because quite honestly I do not remember what is in this bag. I've taken like a few bits out and put them here, there and everywhere as I filmed the video, and then I just kind of shoved them back in the bag and I've not picked them out since, other than that t-shirt that seems to have gone missing. Start with the basics, really boring. I got a pack of oval cosmetic pads. 90p for 100 pads. I have, as you can see, have already used these a lot. I love these. I like these oval ones because they're a lot larger, so I feel like I can get like more surface area of my face. I use these for makeup remover, for toner, just, you know, all the kind of liquid products that you want to use a cosmetic pad for. Along the same kind of route of makeup removal kind of things, I got the PS Oil Balancing Facial Cleansing Wipes for oily and blemish prone skin. If you don't know, I have really oily skin. I also have quite acne prone skin, but like I'm on medication like lotion for that, so you don't actually see that a lot on my channel, thank God. But yeah, this is a twin pack, £1 for 50 wipes. I've already used the top pack. That's how long all of this stuff has been waiting to be hauled. In my last haul I hauled some nails. I'm not wearing any at the moment. I have been wearing nails for like a month straight and I just needed to give them a break. But I got some glue. This was 2 like bigger nail glues for 60p. So 60p for 2 nail glues. You really can't get that anywhere else. Like, name somewhere else that you can get 2 full-size glues for 60p. I dare ya. But yeah, these are really good. I was trying to get my nails off. Like, I literally put my nails on and they were on for 2 weeks straight. Like, none of them like pinged off or anything. So if you're in the market for a good, cheap nail glue, then the Primark one that comes like this, really good. I've previously been using the ones that just like come with the nails, but I don't find them as good. Pandora! 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 My cat's scratching. I don't find them as good, but these ones last for ages. Like the other ones, they maybe last like 4 days with the glue, but these ones literally lasted 2 weeks, so definitely recommend paying the extra 60p for 2 things of glue. Speaking of nails, I got 2 packs of nails. I got Master Plan, which are the ones that I had in my last haul, which are the ones that I was actually wearing. And then I also got Cashmere. So Master Plan's more of like a pinky, deep mauvey nude kind of shade. And then Cashmere is more like a beigey, greigey kind of colour. And these are £1 each. Again, as I said before, I love these. They're really, really good. They come with adhesive, but as I said a second ago, I do prefer the one that you can just buy for 60p. I then got 2 belts because I don't know about you, but I've seen like the double ring belt everywhere, and since maybe like November, October, I've had my hopes set on that. And every time I've gone into Primark, they've not had my size, so I've kind of just given up on the hope that I'm ever going to find that. So I picked up this belt. So this is just a basic kind of, not like a thinner, like a really thin belt, but like not a really thick belt. and it's just got a gold buckle on it, and then it's also got like a gold thing on it. I got this in a size small, and yeah, it's just a basic belt, and this was £3, £2, that kind of region. Like I said, I've taken all the tags off of these, so I'm not quite sure the prices of everything. And then as I put that in my basket, I found this. Now this is basically the larger version of the belt that I was looking for. This is like the larger hoops in the kind of like Gucci-esque style. And again, I got this in a small, but I did actually have to poke another hole in this, like it was too big in a small. So I was planning on getting a medium in the other one and like just hoping for the best. So I'm really glad I didn't. But I thought I can't put that belt down because that's like a thin belt, but I can't not get this belt when I see it in a small. So I got this, and this was £4, and I love it. It just makes any outfit look instantly cooler. Next, I got this t-shirt. And I love this. I've actually already worn this in a video I filmed yesterday. This is just basically like a ribbed khaki top, and it's really, really soft material, really stretchy. I got this in a size 8, and it's just really nice, like chill, like cooling material, that's what I mean, not chill. And yeah, I just really like it. It's just really flowy, airy, really nice. And this was £3. And I think this is the final thing, but I just got a multi-way bra because I've not had a strapless bra since I went to prom, I think. And let's just say I'm not the same size as I was when I went to prom. So I went and picked up a new bra. This is a multi-way one, so it comes with straps that you can do it in loads of different ways. You can also just take them off and wear it strapless. But yeah, I can't remember how much this was for the life of me. I believe it was like £5, but it's really affordable and it stays up. You don't have to keep tugging at it, which I appreciate. So that is everything in the haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!